Have you ever looked at your phone and thought, I spend hours scrolling every day. What if I could turn this time into money? Because in 2025, your phone isn't just a distraction, it's a full business tool that fits in your pocket. And every single day, people are using it to earn real income online. Students, freelancers, and complete beginners, all starting with zero experience. If they can do it, why not you? Today, I'll show you exactly how to make $50 a day online, using only your phone. No investment, no experience required. No fake apps, no overnight promises, just honest, beginner-friendly methods that actually work. So take a deep breath, grab your phone, and let's start your journey toward financial freedom. Let's begin with freelancing, one of the most flexible and beginner-friendly ways to earn. Freelancing simply means offering your skills to people who need them. And here's the good news, you already have skills worth paying for. Maybe you're good at writing, editing short videos, creating designs on Canva, or translating text between languages. These are valuable services that people all around the world are hiring for right now. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. And don't worry if you don't have a laptop. You can do it all from your phone using free apps like CapCut, Canva, and Google Docs. Start small. Do 1 or 2 gigs. Get your first review. And once clients trust you, your income grows quickly. That's how thousands of people go from $0 to $50 a day, just by using their phone and showing up consistently. Another simple way is by selling digital products. You don't need to make physical items. You can create something once and sell it forever. Digital products can be ebooks, Notion templates, planners, or Canva designs, things that make people's lives easier. Use your phone, your creativity, and your ideas. Then upload your product to Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Share it through short videos on TikTok or Reels. When someone buys, you get paid instantly. It's one of the smartest ways to make money online. You work hard once, and your product keeps earning every day, even while you sleep. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This method doesn't need you to make or sell anything. You simply recommend products and earn a commission whenever someone buys for your link. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Digistore24, or ClickBank. Imagine you buy a phone tripod or a gadget you love. You record a short review video on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Add your link in the caption. Every time someone clicks that link and buys, you get paid. That's it, no shipping, no handling, no customer support, just honest recommendations that help people and reward you. Once you post a few videos, those links can keep earning even months later. That's real passive income built from trust. Content creation is another powerful opportunity in 2025. You don't need fancy equipment, you just need a story, a skill, or a message to share. Your phone's camera is more than enough. Start creating short videos about what you love: motivation, tech, lifestyle, fitness, cooking, or education. Be consistent. Because when you post regularly, the algorithm starts working for you. You begin with 0 views, then hundreds, then thousands, and before you know it, you've built an audience. That's when brand deals, affiliate income, and sponsorships start flowing in. Your content becomes an asset, something that keeps paying you long after you made it. If you enjoy helping others, try online tutoring or teaching. You don't need to be a professional teacher. You just need to know more than the person learning from you. You can teach English, math, design, or even soft skills. Use apps like Preply, Cambly, or ClassGap to get started. Or, if you prefer creating once and earning forever, record short lessons and upload them to Skillshare or Udemy. Each new student becomes a new source of income. That's how teachers around the world are making $30 to $100 a day using only their phones. Education is always in demand, and now, it fits in your pocket. Here's another great method: print on demand. You design t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, or stickers and upload your designs to platforms like Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone buys, the company handles printing and delivery for you. You just earn your profit automatically. You don't need design skills, just simple, funny, or motivational ideas that people relate to. It's creativity turned into cash flow. If you're already spending hours on social media, why not turn that time into income? Social media management is a growing field. Small businesses need help creating posts, replying to comments, and keeping their pages active. You can manage those accounts directly from your phone using Canva, Later, or CapCut. Charge clients monthly. Even 2 small clients can cover your daily $50 goal. It's a perfect job for students, freelancers, or stay-at-home parents. You're already online, now get paid for it. And here's one more idea: reselling or marketplace flipping. You can buy used items like phones, shoes, or accessories from Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or OLX, then clean them, take better photos, and sell them for profit. Even a few small flips can bring you $50 to $100 in a day. It's simple, it's fast, and it teaches you real business skills, all from your phone. But here's something most people won't tell you: these methods only work if you do. You can watch videos all day, but unless you actually start, nothing changes. You might make $5 today, $20 next week, but over time, those small wins add up. Because success online isn't about talent, it's about persistence. The people who make it don't quit after a month. They learn, improve, and keep going. So pick one method, just one. Focus on it for 3 to 6 months, and you'll see how quickly $50 a day becomes possible. Your phone can do two things: waste your time or change your life. Every app you open has two sides, one for entertainment and one for opportunity. YouTube can teach you. Canva can help you design. Instagram can grow your brand. And Fiverr can pay your bills. The difference is how you use them. You already hold a powerful tool in your hand, you just need to start using it with purpose. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. And 1 year from now, you'll either say, "I wish I started," or "I'm so glad I did." If you found this helpful, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment, "I'm starting today." Because success doesn't wait for anyone. It begins the moment you take your first step. Start now and let your phone become your first source of freedom.